Hello friends. Today in this video we are watching the latest beautiful stencil wall painting design ideas. So friends, if you like our videos then please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. So let's begin the video. Stencil wall painting can be a fantastic addition to your home decor, offering both authentic appeal and functional benefits. And stencils allow to choose the customized patterns, colors, and designs to suit your home decor's unique style. And whatever its floral motifs for bedrooms, for geometric patterns for living rooms, stencils offer versatile to match your taste. And stencil wall painting is relatively easy to apply, making it popular option for DIYs. And the stencils can be purchased online platforms or stores, and they can be used by anyone with basic painting skills. Avoid the need for professionals' help. And stencils are not limited to walls. You can also use them on the ceilings, furniture, doors, and even floors to create cohesive designs and themes across the home. The flexibility makes stencils a versatile tool for your home decor. And before stencil wall paintings, which points you can remember? Some points you can remember. And the stencil wall painting, it's important and plan. It's prepared thoroughly to ensure successful and satisfying results. And here is some key points you can remember. Decide on stencil design that complements the overall style of your room. Example, floral to the soft look, geometric for modern touch of nature and inspired of calm vibe. And determine where the stencils will be applied. Accent walls and borders and specific areas. It's important to think about the size of the stencils and relatively the room wall and size. Ensure that the walls is clean and dry and smooth before you can begin. Dust on dirt or grease you can influence with the paint addition. Repair any cracks, holes or uneven areas using the filler or spackle and sand the surfaces of the smooth finishes. And if the walls has not been painted in the while has dark colors, applying a primer may be help to the stencil paint. It's better and prevent the old color from showing through. And choose the paint that approximate for the wall surface and the desired finish, matte or glossy or satin. Acrylic paints work well for stenciling. You can use stencil brush or small and flat round for precious application for form of roller for faster and more uniform look. You may also use stencil roller for sponge for more texture effect. This can help to the secure the stencil place and prevent any accidental paint is split. Ensure that your stencil design contrast well with background color to make design stand out. And consider using 2-3 colors at most to keep the design the costume away to the over welcoming the room. And always test the paint colors on small area of your wall. See how they look and actual lighting before committing to the entire stencil design. And if you are doing the pattern like border or repeated designs, to be align the stencil properly each time maintain constancy. Using level or measure tape to mark even space can help. Some stencils comes with registration marks to ensure proper alignment for repeat patterns. These are helpful for maintaining symmetry across the large surfaces. And to avoid harsh stencil lines, consider the softening the edges by using dry brushes and techniques. The lightning is dabbing the brush for more faded look. Once the stencil painting is complete, the seal the design with clear and protective top coat, matte or gloss, it's depending on your preference to ensure durability and make it easier to clean. Consider how the stencil will look under different lighting conditions. Bright the bright light can be make integrate designs stand out, while softer lighting can create more subtle and effect. Make sure the stencil design will be visible and enhance the space. And let each layer of paint is dry completely before applying. The next layer of moving to the different areas, rushing can be lead of smudges or uneven coverings. And use painted tape to the protect trim, baseboards or adjustment walls that you don't want to paint. Lay down drop cloth or wool newspaper to protect your floorings and furniture. Be careful when applying the paint is away to the bleeding underneath the